Good morning. It's your Let's Talk Raw with Brooklyn. I know my throat sounds as raw as the name raw. I have tried so many things, but I can tell you the most important thing for a lot of things allergy related is honey, or propolis, as they say, which is a proponent in honey. So I had an allergy reaction to a bad makeup, and it had gluten in it, and I'm allergic to gluten. So from Ipsy, which is IPSY, I ordered Hey Honey, which is 911 Pro Gel Instant Relief with Propolis, which is found in honey. It's for skin irritations, and I've been putting it on my skin. And then I've been using my Ricca, which I'll put this and this below, and my rose water. I'll put that below, and the just below in the links. So what we're going to do with my Ricca is I'm going to push the power button, turn it on, and then I push the mode button, okay? And then you push mode, then you shift to get to the level of ultrasonic or nutrients. We want a lot of nutrients. We want to get all the way down the dermis to fix this mess I caused. We also want it to vibrate because we want it to wake up the collagen. The color I'm going to use is red because that is what's collagen building, right? So I'm going to put a little bit of this on my face, a little bit, a lot. We're going to rub it into the areas that seem to have gotten the most irritation. Hi, baby girl. How do you want your hair done today? I want a messy bun like mommy? Just like mommy? Okay, give me 1 second, up right there. Okay, so we're going to do this real quick because I got to do my kid's hair this morning.
We got dried kiwi.
Dried kiwi? Mommy, taste it. Bring here. I'm hungry. Okay. So you turn it on if you can hear it. It vibrates. Kind of like this song. So, hi, Monkey. From you, puppies. So I'm going to focus mainly on where it's a good morning song, right? So you're going to want to really focus on that area. And you constantly want to keep your skin wet. That helps soak in the hydration into the rest of your skin, which is what this machine does. Thanks, Bubby. Try kiwi. It's good. What comes in the bag there? It's like it tastes kind of nutty.
No, it's just dried kiwi. The little thing is just dried kiwi. Oh, yes, hello.
Oh, give me a messy one.
Do you think you can make it where it won't fall out?
Yeah, I can make it won't fall out.
Okay. What's the messy one?
But I gotta finish this for my clients. Okay, if I have any left. I'm so sorry, you guys. I haven't done a video recently. I've been quite sick. I'm always raspy, but this is like really bad. We've got total allergies. I've been like spooning the honey that's from Georgia. It's called Blossom. And that's one of the honeys made here around Atlanta. So it helps the allergies in this area. And I'm literally taking shots of that with hot water and lemon. But unfortunately I have a raspy voice. So when it gets really bad, it's like really bad where I can't hardly speak. So you do this red for about, I don't really get inflammation right now, which is great. I did a few days ago when I was too insecure to come to you guys. So you would do a round of that. Look, the redness is, can you tell? The redness has gotten less. Put a little bit more of this honey on there. A little more spray. We're going to do another round. Oh, yeah. And the vibration, you can like feel it getting deep into your skin. So today is my SCUTRA. So I'll have 2 videos for you today. You'll get the butt video. And then I'm going to get a couple of things done to some scars on my face. And then I actually will be in Hollywood, California in my new apartment next weekend. So it's kind of an emotional week because the kids can't come right away. But we're working on it. We're working on it. It's a process. It's a process to move the whole family there. So I'm going to go first and sort of get everything in order. And let these monkeys come after me. What are you doing, monkey? So that's hard, but it's a process, and I'm lucky to have an ex-husband who's supportive and can help me do all this, and not just financially, but helping with the children, because I'm a nervous wreck and I just want to cry all the time because a moment without them is like death for me. But I just know that's what I have to do right now. So, you know, if you're not happy where you are and it's the circumstances, and you have things going on in your life, and you have, you know, my dad's on that side and the people that support me on that side, so I have to go, you know. And there's that fear in me that, like, the people that I thought supported me aren't going to be there anymore because it's been so long. But I just gotta keep positive, and that the Lord has a plan for me, and it's not here, unfortunately. So hopefully the kids will be with me soon.
Hey, who emptied my jewelry though?
I was trying to use it to prop the phone up, but it kept falling.
That's fine.
Okay, so what you do to solidify that, because in about 5 minutes, change the color to blue, which is to help against any breakouts. So you just want to, like, just make sure that's not going to happen again. Might want to wet it again. Just really focus on the areas where you normally break out. For me, it would be hormonal or allergy, which is allergies and food are here. Hormonal are down here. And the forehead's just sweaty. But again, I put makeup in that area, so yeah. Or primer. I'm not sure what it was. I'm almost done, girls. Okay.
Mommy, I don't
So
feel good.
you don't? Does that mean you hang out with me all day?
Well, yeah, but I also told Daddy that.
Here's green. Green is for information. Go on.
And actually, last night I didn't either.
What happened last night?
I don't know. Just I started crying. My tummy hurt, and my head hurt, all that.
Oh, goodness me. Mommy has a doctor's appointment at 1. So anyway, these are the ways you're doing. This is my stars. I started doing my beautiful children, but this is the Rika. This is my very best friend. If you can already see, the red has subsided in certain areas, and it will calm down over time. So it'll brighten again, and then it'll kind of spread into my skin. It's hard to explain. But the best thing to do for any allergy reaction would be find a honey that is with make sure I say this right for you guys. Propolis, which is Proplis, okay? It is a proponent in honey. It's in bee pollen, okay? It's amazing for allergies. It's amazing for skin. Always finish with a good hydrating spray, which I use rose water tonic. It'll all be in the links below. And this is my Rika. I clean it off. And I would do that normally for about 15 minutes, but I spent a good 8 minutes, so it definitely did something. Thank you guys for joining me. I've got to get my kids ready for school. And there's my kid's foot. Silly girl. Say hi.
Hey.
I'm sorry that I've missed out and not been around, but I have been here. I've just been really sick, and I'm still working on it. So I'm going to go drink a spoonful of honey. Makes the medicine go down. It's all right. The medicine go down. I better stop. Shh. Later, skaters.